Okay, now check this out. On the Galaxy phone, I have got depth effect wallpaper set on the lock screen, and this is without using any third-party applications. Yes, this is possible, and a lot of you guys have been asking me about this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this. A couple of simple steps and you can get depth effect wallpaper on your Galaxy phone without third-party applications. Before we dive in, if you're new here on the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video informative. And all those wallpapers that you see here in this video are all from Volverse application. The link is in the description. Now there are a couple of prerequisites. First thing, you need to have the wallpaper inside your gallery. Second thing, you need to clip the subject and save it as an image. Let's go to gallery here. I'll go to the albums. We have got a separate folder for Volverse here. Here I will pick a wallpaper. Let's pick Hummer wallpaper. Now here, let me press and hold on the subject and clip this subject and save this as image. Now we have got this wallpaper. And we also have the clipped image right over here in a separate folder. Now let's press and hold on the lock screen, enter into the customization options and select the wallpaper. Let's pick the Hummer wallpaper that we have just edited. Let's go to gallery, Volverse folder, and we have got the wallpaper right over here. Now the wallpaper is set. Now we will have to tap on Lockstar module. This is a GoodLock module. If you don't see it on your phone, you will have to install it on GoodLock application. Go ahead, install Lockstar, and you will see this button right here. Tap on Lockstar and select app widgets. Now scroll down, you will find gallery widget right over here and add this gallery widget onto your lock screen. Now first tap on this widget and tap on widget setting. Here you can choose the image that you want images to show. Let me select this and tap on select images. This is where you have to select that clipped image, the subject that you have clipped from the wallpaper. Let's go to albums. And here we have got clipped images folder and tap on this and tap on done. Now tap on save. You can see we have got the subject right over here. Now I can expand this and place it right here on this subject here on the lock screen itself. Let me just expand this. You can perfectly set it up. You can see it just looks perfect, isn't it? You won't even know that the subject is clipped. Now what I'll do is I will adjust the clock. You can increase the size of the clock and bring it right below this car here. Look at that. That looks beautiful, isn't it? Let me change this color to maybe black. Yep, a black clock and a black Hummer. Now let me tap on done. Look at that. Check this out. You've got the depth effect wallpaper. The clock is behind Hummer, and when it goes to the always on display, you can see the image is also visible here. I'm not sure whether the camera is doing the justice here, but the subject, the clipped subject is right over here. And we have got that clock in the background, and I double tap on it. It transitions into this beautiful looking depth effect wallpaper. As simple as that. Now here there is something very important to keep in mind. Make sure the clipped subject is not overlapping your fingerprint sensor here, because if the clipped image is placed using the gallery widget right on this fingerprint sensor here, then what happens is every time you unlock the phone, it will directly take you to that widget, skipping your home screen. So that is going to be an issue. So make sure that that widget is not overlapping your fingerprint sensor. Now let's try another one. Let's go to gallery. I will pick this image. Let's clip the subject here. Yep. Let's save this as image and set this as lock screen wallpaper. Now here, what I'll do is I will remove this image from the widget. Just tap on that widget, go to the settings, image to show, select images, and just select the one that you just clipped. Let me just remove this. I'll have to deselect this. And then let's go to the albums, clipped images, and here we go. Let's tap on done, tap on save. Now I need to adjust this image. This is just perfect. Now let's adjust the clock here. I'll bring it behind the subject and let's keep it black, or maybe let's change this color to a gradient color. Yep. Now let me tap on done. Look at this now. This is a beautiful looking depth effect clock that we have on the lock screen on your Galaxy phone without a third-party application, and it looks just beautiful, isn't it? Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. I know using a third-party application is much easier, but most of the depth effect wallpaper applications are premium applications. You will have to pay for it. Instead, create your own depth effect wallpaper on your Galaxy phone using GoodLock application, the Lockstar, and some beautiful images from Volverse application. The link for the app is in the description. There are some amazing wallpapers which are specifically meant for depth effect. You can go ahead and check them out. That's all I have here. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.